If you don't reach 40 years and above, if you dey knack and you get issue with knacking and you no fit knack reach at least 20 minutes like this, like pa 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 pa, so the hammer kpekus, and you no fit hammer that long for at least 20 minutes repeatedly non-stop, going in and out like opieku opieku opieku, e mean say issue dey. Your gbola muscle don dey weak. Not be say that kpekus not sweet. The issue na you. So to solve that problem, change wetin you dey chop. As I wear chef cloth now, na me be knacking chef. This chef now wan tell you say get wetin you suppose dey drink when e dey inside the link where dey this video, where dey link for my bio. That thing, food even dey where you suppose dey chop, where go make your gbola muscle strong, where go make your gbola tissue strong. E go make you feel knack well, knack for long. Click the link where dey my bio now, make you get that cookbook, the recipe on how you go fit take knack like pro, and you fit dey go like ta 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 ta, the hammer kpekus, and she go dey shout iyo iyo yewoko yewoko. Make sure you click the link where dey my bio now to get the cookbook. Knack well.